A lot of times teachers teach and teach and then they figure out the kids didn't get it and they say, but I taught it. Sometimes you don't know that until the end, until you give your test and they all vomit. So these are some things that you can use as you're teaching as quick little, okay, are they on the same page as me? The first thing I'd like you to do is grab an index card. And on the top, I want you to write true, and on the bottom, I want you to write false. And then do the same on the other side. Ask them a question. Was this, did social studies that this happened in this year, true or false? And they can hold on to what they want to pick. Oh, I think that's true. You can do it as multiple choice. They can have cards, ABC on it. Ask them a question. They can pull, I think it's B. You write on both sides so they can see it and you can see it no matter where you are in the room. The lady that taught us this said she always did the, think about it for a second and she'd say 1, 2, 3, show me, and they don't have to show at the same time. Yes or no, you can do it that way. Smiley faces, use that for kindergarten. If you look on page 52 and 53, it kind of gives you more ideas for your content area. This morning someone wanted to make one for math, so she put the 4 operations on there.
She and I were talking about like the Civil War, North-South, or I said like generals, you could put Ely or whoever, and you could just start asking questions about who did what.
We were thinking like if you were doing battles, it's always really hard because a lot of times the same battle has 2 different names, and so you could, who won, North or South.
Page 53 has graffiti fact. That's just a different way to do the KWL chart that you've probably always done. The kids actually can write on it, or maybe they can put a sticky note, things they know, want to know, and at the end, things they learn. Interest surveys, there's a couple of examples too. Kids are more likely to work for you if you have something they're interested in. This one kind of goes with pre-assessment. It's on page 57. It's a 4-square one, which kind of goes along with the squaring off because everybody can do it. Even the people on the yellow brick road, it says things you know, questions you have, and things you want to learn. So I'm sure even if you're an expert, there's something else you want to know or want to learn. And project ideas, sometimes if kids come up with their own ideas, they're more likely to want to do it. 58 and 59 is the next section. These are just really, really quick. They can be done in 5 or 10 seconds just to kind of see if you and the students are on the same page. Thumb it. The first one's thumb it. It's really simple. Hey, out there, do y'all get what I'm talking about? Thumbs up for yes. Sort of. No. It's really easy. The fist of 5. If you taught this to them earlier, you can always just holler out, give me a fist of 5, how you're doing. 5 fingers mean I know it, I know everything about it, I'm doing great. 4, yeah, I know pretty much, I can use a little more learning. 3 is that maybe I need some help. Maybe you can stand by me and help me work a few more problems. 2 being, no, I'm not doing so good. And 1, what's going on? What class am I in? I need a lot of help here. And the next 2 are just motions they can do for you to quickly see. The first one, reaching for the top, is kind of like the thing at the fair where you hit it with your hammer and it goes way up if you're doing really good, or just barely up if you're not so strong. That's how they show you on their arm. How are you feeling? Not so good. Or they can go like this. They can just show you real quick at their desk. Oh yeah, I'm doing kind of good, pretty good, really good. And then last one is the speedometer one, where they use their hand as a speedometer to show, no, I'm going slow, I don't really know what's happening, or woo, I'm speeding along, and I'm catching on really nicely, and I'm ready to go. We talked earlier that a lot of kids, they don't want to give you a thumbs down in front of their friends. They don't want their friends to know that they don't know what's going on. The grand finale comment is what you actually did at your last station. It's wrote on your comment card. You can do that in the last 30 seconds or minute of your class. Just have a kid pull out a card and give them a prompt. Today I learned, have them write something. Today I am feeling. They're more likely to tell you they need help on something on a private little card than giving you a thumbs down in the middle of class.